Welcome back to Sugar Mama TV, your financial coach, counselor, and creator. Now, I'm all about building passive income, but a lot of people don't really understand what passive income is, and that's perfectly normal because it's not really spoken about every day. But passive income is essentially money that works for you, or as I like to say, money that you make while you sleep. So, when you look at your bank statements, you'll see like tiny bits of interest. It might be $1 or it might be $10 or $100 a month that you've technically earned. Well, that is an example of passive income. You haven't actually physically done anything to earn that interest off your bank account. The bank has paid you some money because it's been using your money. So examples of passive income are things like rent from investment properties, my favorite, dividends from shares, even things like royalties, anything that you haven't physically had to do anything to earn money or to receive money. And the key to becoming financially free and financially independent, which is what I do for my clients, I help build them, passive income sources. And if you think about it, say for example your living expenses are say $70,000 a year. If you could build up a passive income source, whether that be through a variety of different investments, you would technically be financially free and financially independent. You wouldn't have to put on a suit and go to work. You wouldn't have to catch a bus to work. You wouldn't have to go to work. You could just travel around the world or go and study as many courses as you like. Stay at home and raise a family. You'd have complete freedom to create the life that you want. So this is what this channel is all about, and my passionate focus for you guys is to show you how to build passive income streams to give you that independence if that's what you want to create for yourself. And I'm going to be in some other videos I've got coming up, we're actually going to be building passive income sources on my channel, and I've got a lot of really cool clever tips and tricks which you can use, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this with really not that much money. And I'll show you how powerful it is through compounding interest in building this passive income source so that you can actually feel really inspired and go away and apply these principles and email me back and say, I've started building up my own investment portfolio and this is how it's going. So yep, so that's what passive income is all about, and that's what I'm going to be really focusing and inspiring you and motivating you to do and create for yourself. Okay, so ciao for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.